So my name is Ricky Brake and I'm currently the owner of the Healthy Shack 252. I've been doing it for about 4 months, ever since December, and I've been loving it. So here at the Healthy Shack 252, we offer a wide variety of smoothies, healthy smoothies. We use no dairy at all, very low in calories, high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and it's a full meal replacement as well. We also offer our drinks that aid in digestion, boost your metabolism, and give you energy as well. The Small Business Center, however, has helped me with finding grants and certain loans to apply for as well. So I'm very grateful for that opportunity. My biggest takeaway has been, number one, be patient, stay consistent, and tell the people about what you do and how you love to do it. That's one of the biggest takeaways that I've gotten. Word of mouth travels a long way as well. So if what you're doing is staying consistent and you're being true to it, go for it. Because they're gonna tell the other people. And when they come back to you, they're gonna tell somebody else, so keep doing it.